Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 3925 Buffalo Street in Marion.
This is a charming home with a 2-story barn outbuilding with a beautiful backyard overlooking a creek, all at a terrific value. So let's take a tour.
This home features a great open concept with traditional character, all with 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a walkout lower level.
This property is situated on a half an acre with a beautiful backyard overlooking the creek. Here we are in Marion, an historic and charming town, and a great place to live.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 3925 Buffalo Street in Marion.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!